Connecting your air purifier to the LG ThinQ app, iPhones. If you are using LG products, you can make your life a lot easier by connecting them to the ThinQ app. Connecting devices to the ThinQ app on iPhones. Before connecting your device, make sure both the air purifier and the wireless router are powered on, and that the ThinQ app is installed on your smartphone. If everything is all set, let's find out how to connect your air purifier. Connect your smartphone to a Wi-Fi network you want to use, and open the ThinQ app. On the home screen, go to Add a device. Then select Device. Tap the Next button. And now the first step is completed. Select Air Purifier from the list. Then move closer to the air purifier. Following the instructions on the screen, press and hold down the Wi-Fi enabling button for more than 3 seconds. Connect to the Wi-Fi by following the app's instructions. Check to see if the Wi-Fi icon or the LED light is blinking or switched on. Proceeding when the icon or the light is not blinking or switched on will prolong the process. If everything is clear, tap the Done button. On the home screen of your iPhone, select the Settings icon. Then go to Wi-Fi. Based on your product model, the Wi-Fi network name may vary. There's one that starts with LGE Air, followed by 6 characters or numbers, and one that starts with LGE Air 2, followed by 4 characters or numbers. To connect to a network that starts with LGE Air, followed by 6 characters or numbers, enter LGE 12345 as the password. To connect to a network that starts with LGE Air 2, followed by 4 characters or numbers, select the network and enter the last 4 characters or numbers twice as the password. Return to the ThinQ app. Select the name of the Wi-Fi network to connect to, and enter the password. Soon, the device will be added. You can see the added product card shortly, and once you tap Go to Home, the air purifier will also appear on the home screen of the app. Now that brings us to the end.